What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. My name's Obi, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on any content that's coming. And also make sure you hit the like button because that really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So I know we usually talk about stocks on this channel, but today we're going to be talking about something that's a little bit different. You know, there's so much uncertainty going on in the stock market. No one knows what's going to happen. This market has been very volatile. So we're going to talk about other investments that you can make to increase your income ceiling without being in a volatile asset class. So today I have with me here today the owners of MCC Sneakers. We actually collab on a few things in order to kind of get returns and investments outside of the stock market. This is their main business. They also buy stocks as well. So that just goes to show you that you can kind of diversify your income and your assets in different ways. I'm actually going to have them tell you guys what MCC is about and actually have them introduce themselves as well.
I'm Chizzy, this is Chidera, and this is Michael. And, together we form MCC Sneakers. We started our company, we officially became an LLC, just about last week, but we've been together and we've been doing our business for about 3 months now. And basically we just resell sneakers. They come out at these stores such as Foot Locker, Champs, East Bay, common stores you guys shop from, I'm sure. For example, we could use this shoe right here. This shoe came out, all your foot sites. So like I said earlier, Foot Action, Champs, East Bay, all those type of sites. This shoe came out for $170. $170, take your tax, take your shipping, probably comes out to roughly $180. This shoe easily selling upwards to $300. So you're making roughly $120 per shoe. So just imagine if you get 10 of them, you're getting over $1,000 just for a shoe. You don't have to wear the shoe just for selling purposes. So that's basically what we do. We take different shoes, of all types, Yeezys, Jordans, anything like that, and we just sell it for a profit.
And Mike, how many pairs did we get of those Yeezys last week?
Last week we got about almost like 15 pairs of Yeezys, and they resold for they were retail for $230 and resold for around $300. So that's like $70 per shoe. And so with 15 pairs, you can do the math. That's a lot.
That's almost 45% profit. People
Yes.
look for that in the stock market every day, and this is guaranteed. That's something that's super volatile, and it takes time, research, and patience.
That's the beautiful thing about shoes. You could never really lose on what you're buying. Say this shoe didn't go for $300, I can assure you the shoe would never go for under $170, the price it came out for. This shoe might have gone for just $200, but even if it would have went for that $200, it still would have been roughly $20 profit per shoe. It might not have been what we're dreaming for, but do the math, $20 per pair, and you get 10 pairs. Like we keep using that as our example. It's just easy money.
And this is very quick return on your investment, because it's you can make that $1,000 in the same day if you get 10 pairs of shoes in one drop, and then all you have to do is wait max a week for it to come in, resell it, and you have your money back in a week and profit.
So what made you guys actually get started in sneaker flipping?
Honestly, I've been into the sneaker game really for a while, since I was in elementary school, but into reselling and stuff, really quarantine started it.
Especially with
So why did you guys get started in this business?
Like Shadira said, I've been into sneakers, clothing, all that. I've been into all that my whole life, roughly. Obviously, I got into it seriously, I'd say around high school. I would get sneakers. I wouldn't really flip them. I was more into wearing them. After high school, I started realizing the good amount of money you could get if I would stop wearing the shoes and rather sell it. So a couple months ago, the Royal Toe Jordan 1s, when those came out, that was the first drop I went for. And I think I got 5 pairs for myself. He might have got another 5 pairs. He as well got probably another 5 pairs. And from that drop alone, I remember I made a couple $100s. So I made a couple $100 in one day, and ever since then I just did my research. Go on YouTube, search up sneaker resellers, and they'll teach you everything you need to know.
It's literally there's kicks coming in every day now.
Yes.
I'll literally get up and I'll do some research to put out a stock video, And then in the middle of doing that, it's like I got to go grab these sneakers, then I got to give them to Mike, and then I got to go get ready and go do the video, and then I got to track the emails and stuff like that. So how do you guys balance like being so busy with like all that other stuff?
Organization. All I can really say, you have to be organized. We have, we do things a little more extreme than the average reseller. We have bots and everything. So since there's 3 of us, we have 3 different computers, so that helps us to be organized. As well as we keep charts. We have notebooks that we keep charts of, all of our purchases. After we sell the shoe, we track down our profits. So, at the end of the month, we can see how good we did for the month. Just different type of, just track down everything you do to stay organized. That's the best I can say.
Yeah, and this is a very good like side type of money maker, because like sneakers only come out like maybe a hype release would be like twice a week maybe, and usually like on the weekends in the mornings, so you could really just go and buy the shoes in the morning and get on with the rest of your day, and then just when it comes in, then you just have to sell them. But yeah, it's a pretty good thing to make very good money as like a side job, side hustle.
Like Mike said, it's side hustle. Like there's plenty of people who could make a living off of this. They make very good money. But the thing I love about this, I just turned 20. He's 18. Michael just graduated college. Like, we're all fairly young, obviously. So like we just do this almost for fun. It's just like a good side hustle. We have enough time to do 9 to 5s if we wanted to. We make good money for the little.
Do a 9 to 5.
Yeah, I have a 9 to 5 as well. we make good money for the little amount of time we put in. So yeah.
So what does it take to get started, and where can people learn more about how to get into this?
Honestly, all it takes to get started is an investment. Like, even for one drop, maybe a shoe might cost $200. If you have that $200, all you have to know is find out the websites the shoe's coming out on, and wait for the release day and to go buy the shoe.
Yeah, do your research. Not every shoe sells for profits, obviously. You have to go for the ones that have hype on it. Ask your friends around, ask the little kids, ask what type of sneakers they're liking. Social media is the biggest influence. It's the best thing to happen for the sneaker game, because with social media you could check to see what's everyone wearing, what's popular with the kids, with the adults. Just by using the resources around you, you could see. And then YouTube's the biggest learning platform. I always say YouTube's almost better than school itself. You can learn anything. A lot on YouTube. You can learn anything from YouTube. Search up Sneaker Reselling. You'll find millions of videos from many different YouTubers. Pick one, and just do your research and learn.
Yeah, and it could be hard to get some of like hype shoe releases. So like there are Discord groups which you could like pay a small fee monthly for, that will give you information on all the releases and everything like that. And even if you can't get a release, like a week after every release, when people start getting pairs in hands, the shoes will be lower than usual. And if you wait, you could buy it then and wait like a month or a few months, and it'll almost guarantee that you'll make money off the profits from that. So that's another way you could do if you're not able to actually cop on the release day.
We're doing it in like a way, like we resell sneakers, obviously, but
you're not going long on them.
Some people like Sneaker Invest does it just
saying.
like the stock. Like we look, you could talk more about that.
That's why I mentioned.
So that's like exactly what Mike is saying. He's saying the sneaker market is kind of like the stock market. Sneakers, think of them as assets. Over time, they appreciate in price. So if sneakers are something, if you want to have something physical that you could just hold on to, you can do your research. You can buy a sneaker. You can wait a couple months, a couple years, and the price is likely to go up. It's just supply and demand. There's less supply over time, demand goes up, price goes up. So that was it for this video. You guys are actually starting your YouTube channel. If you want to share that with them, they'll probably subscribe and figure out how they can make money flipping sneakers all the time.
Yeah, follow us on our Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. All of it's the same, MCC Sneakers. I'm sure Obi will put it in the description.
If you have any type of love for sneakers, make sure to subscribe to us in the description and turn on the notification bell.
Thanks for watching, guys. More videos like this to come on this channel. I know we talk about stocks a lot, but this channel was started to be my personal finance journey, and I feel like I'm doing you guys a disservice if I'm not showing you guys all the ways I'm making money. So anyways, thanks again for watching.
And we can tell you he's made a lot of money.
Thanks for watching, guys.